Here's how to change app icons on Android. Now, if you're on your Android phone and you don't like the current app icons, you can always set a theme for all of the icons or change one specific one if you wanted to trick people to not know what it is. The first option you have is to press and hold somewhere on your screen that there isn't an app. So I'm going to press and hold towards the top and then tap on Themes here. Once I'm in my themes, I can always set a different theme for those app icons by tapping on Icons at the bottom center. And then I usually tap on Top at the top right. From here, you can either have paid for apps, or I'm going to switch from paid over to free, and then I can find free icons to be able to download. Let's say I want to scroll down and I like this simple one, and I wanted to use this. Just tap on the download button and I'll show you what it looks like and hit apply. And it will apply these cool little graphics as app icons. But you can see various third-party app icons just don't look very good in this theme, only the default Samsung or Android app icons. So instead of that, another option you have is just to open up the Google Play Store, and we're going to search for App Icon Changer. So search for Icon Changer. And a great app that's completely free is this X Icon Changer. You can see 10 million downloads. So just download and install this and hit open. After you've done that, I'll show you how this works. Now, let's say you didn't want anybody to know you have the Facebook or the Instagram, Snapchat, or whatever app. You can always choose an app, let's say Instagram on this list, but I don't want anyone to know that it is Instagram. So I'm going to choose a different icon. I can choose from the library, one from the photo on my phone. I can choose different apps. Keep in mind, this is a paid for version, or I can choose a GIF if I wanted to. But I'm just going to go back to the normal library. And let's say instead of that, I just want the moon, something that doesn't necessarily mean Instagram. I'm going to hit the OK button here. And just like that, after I've done this, you'll be able to see what it looks like. I'm going to hit Add to Home Screen. And now if I hop out of here, here is that moon symbol. I can move it around. And here, if I just tap on it, it will open up Instagram, whereas no one else will be able to know that. I can replace it essentially by removing the Instagram app and putting this one here. And of course, you can remove any of these old themes if you don't want those old icon themes, but just to replace one app icon with something else, completely up to you.